I have a philosophy that the key to being organized in New York City is your stuff should be easy to find, easy to move, and protected from uncertainty. Unlike living in the suburbs where you have a car that can pull into a parking lot or driveway, New York really sucks when you have to move stuff around the city, especially if it's you and one assistant, or even worse, by yourself. It isn't easy to find parking, and most of us don't have cars, so we have to rely on Uber or Lyft. And when loading and unloading, sometimes you have to block traffic and move your stuff really fast. It's not fun. That's why I am a proud member of the DeWalt cult. And no, this is not a paid promotion. I really am a DeWalt fanatic. I love their power tools. I love their accessories. I love their color scheme. I love their logo. I love everything about DeWalt. Now, these beautiful stackable DeWalt storage boxes and totes were the antidote to my problem. I can label what's inside of each box, lock the box, and migrate a lot of gear by myself from one location to another. These beautiful boxes come in different sizes and varieties, such as this one, which holds my essentials. I keep my batteries, tether cables, SD card reader, and Elechrome Skyport remote. Best of all, it has a clear top allowing me to see everything before I open it. This one is my power and charging accessories box. And this one right here is my grip box where I keep my clamps, gaffer's tape, and sandbags. I like to keep each box labeled because every second on a photo shoot is precious time, and an assistant should be able to find whatever you need without you telling them where it is. You, as a photographer or videographer, need to stay focused, and any distraction that breaks you away from the beautiful chemistry you have between you and your model or subject is no bueno. Now, if I'm doing a light camera shoot in town with speed lights, I bring my speed light box, which has everything I need for my shoot. If I need something more robust, I bring the big case, which has all of my beautiful Elechrome ELC 500s. I don't have to worry about my gear getting wet because, like a Pelican case, the boxes are sealed and rugged, giving me a little peace of mind around the most clumsy of assistants. So hell yeah, DeWalt. Thank you for giving this New York photographer a little sanity in an insane city. Until next time, folks, I'm Erika Barker. Peace out.